Okay, hi, this is a quick screencast to highlight the issues that I'm having with my website in Google Search Console. So I currently have about 100 pages that need to be indexed, and currently we've been trying to get the numbers up and we're at 42 valid pages. If I go to the 2 error pages, they're not relevant. I don't need these pages indexed. And in the excluded category, excluded by no index tag, all of these are irrelevant. They're just garbage pages. Well, they're not relevant. They're not the ones that I want indexed. Same with crawl anomaly. Same with this one. I think most of the pages are in this crawled, currently not indexed section. So there's 64 pages that are affected, and the main pages that my main content pages are these ones that are the scenicgems.com, Australia, attractions, and then a location. These are the pages that I need indexed. So Agnes Water, Adelaide, Sorrento, these are all different locations. My map page doesn't need to be indexed because that this page is actually hidden until a user logs in after subscribing. I'll just quickly go through and have a look at any other anomalies, but you can see all the different locations here. So I don't know what that is. It's just something from the Avada theme, I guess. Yeah, there's a test page there, don't need that. That my developer has created. Another test page, don't need that. Feed, don't need all of those feeds. Don't need any of those. So there's a lot of pages. I mean, I haven't submitted these in the sitemap. So why Google has crawled them? I suppose it's just the way it goes. But my sitemap only has the pages that I want. So I don't know if there's going to be, what is it, 42 of 40. I've got 42 pages valid and of 100. So I'm missing about 55 pages maybe. I think it's about 95 pages in total. There's about 55 pages. So this is probably a good place to start with that area that I discussed. Now, if I go to sitemaps, discovered URLs 112. If I see the index coverage, no, that's not where I want to be. I want to load this. One second. How do I grab this? I'll just pause the video. 1 second. Here's the sitemap that was submitted. Now there are some pages here that don't need to be submitted. Registration, sign up, edit profile, coming soon, terms and conditions. Oh no, terms and conditions would be fine. So essentially it's the home page, scenicgems.com. There is, as I said, the map page is for premium subscribers, so that one doesn't need to be indexed. There is a demo map page, so it's just /demo. That one needs to be indexed. The thank you page doesn't need to be indexed. And then there's all of the locations. So this is what I'm aiming to have indexed. And yeah, so there's the demo page there, about us page, yep, that one as well. So home page, demo page, about us page, and then all of my destinations. They're the pages that I need indexed. So I could probably just leave it there. I could keep talking, but that's the goal. And starting with the excluded the crawled, currently not indexed. For some reason, these have been crawled, but they are not indexed. I use, it used to be called Google First Click Free technology. So look up Google First Click Free. It's kind of a, if people, say in Facebook, click on a link, they can come and view this as a protected page normally, but because we're posting the link out on Facebook, they can access this protected page, and they can do that. They can get 3 free hits on protected content a month. That's how we've set it up, and Google will index these pages based on, it's not called Google First Click Free anymore, I can't remember what it's called, but magazine publishers, newspapers, they use that kind of sampling model. That's what it's called, something sampling. So that may be the reason why these are not getting indexed. But having said that, the pages that are indexed, so if I go to the valid pages, submitted and indexed, so that page is a protected page. That page is protected, protected, protected. All of these are protected pages. So Google is indexing these protected pages under the. So we've set it up so that you can't normally click on these pages. Like if I quickly show you, I go to that page and just put it in. There, members only, you are being redirected. So we've got this redirecting technology, and what it does is it redirects you to the demo page. Now, if that link was posted on Facebook or Instagram or anywhere like that, you would see the whole page in its entirety, and you would be able to view that page. And if there were more links posted on Facebook or wherever, you would be able to see 3 of them per month. After you've seen 3 links, you would get redirected to the demo, just as you've seen now. So that's essentially it. But as I said, in here, you know, these pages are have been indexed, even though they're protected content. So that's it for now, I guess. I'll throw it over to you and see what you think. Okay, let me know. Thank you. Cheers.